Today we will talk about two of the new features that are coming out as a part of the 8.4 release of SupplyChainGuru.com. SupplyChainGuru.com is a platform that is built to enable users to have easy access to both model data and model visualizations. To help make users even more productive when interacting with models as well as visualizing model outputs, we're adding two features to SupplyChainGuru.com 8.4. Integration with Tableau on SupplyChainGuru.com will enable users to better visualize and interact with ad hoc style reporting. In addition, planner widgets and planner dashboards will give light SupplyChainGuru.com users access to interact with model data and visualize outputs on a single dashboard. Now let's go back to the model homepage and explore these two new features in more detail. To navigate to the Tableau area of SupplyChainGuru.com, navigate to the Graphing section either by selecting the Graph Groups area in the Recently Used Items or going to the Analysis drop-down and selecting Graphs. Tableau visualizations will show up just like any other graph associated with your model. To get into a Tableau visualization, select the graph group. Inside the graph group, you will see a list of visualizations. Select one of these visualizations for more detail. Tableau has two modes, read-only mode and edit mode. By default, you will always see the read-only mode. This mode will be completely interactive, will allow you to select items from within the visualization, allow you to view details of the data underlying the visualization, and some are even interactive and will allow you to lasso sites on a map or other types of selectable icons. To edit the visualization, simply click the Edit button. This will take you into the Tableau Edit mode. Within the Tableau Edit mode, the full ad hoc reporting capability of Tableau available in the web is now at your fingertips. Simply edit your visualization, make all the changes that you'd like to see, and then save the visualization. After the visualization saves, you'll be taken back to the read-only view of the Tableau visualization. From here, you can do a couple of things with this visualization. You can view it in full screen mode to get a better view of the entire visualization, or you can share it with another user by clicking on the message button. Simply type in the recipient to send a link directly to the user with the hyperlink to the visualization in it. Next, I will show you how to take this visualization and embed it in a planner dashboard. Planner dashboards are the second new feature that we will cover today. Planner dashboards are designed to make it easy for planners to go into their model, interact with the model by changing parameters, run the model, and view visualizations all within one screen. As a planner, when I log into the interface, I am first presented with my list of dashboards on the left-hand side of the screen. These dashboards have been pre-configured for me by a designer who has full access to the model. I can easily navigate between multiple different dashboards that the designer has been creating for me. In this dashboard, the designer has set up a series of widgets that allow me to change different aspects of my model. These widgets include anything from drop-down lists to selectable toggles and sliders. A configurable run button is also available to make it easier for me to find where I hit run and get my outputs. In this dashboard, an interactive Tableau visualization has been embedded to make it easy for me to navigate through my output, both by hovering over the information in the graph, as well as to flipping through different periods of my models. I can see things like excess production capacity at different distribution centers and manufacturing sites. As a designer, we will now take a look at how to configure the planner dashboard and embed the Tableau visualizations in it. To configure the planner dashboard, simply navigate to the scenario screen under the Run dropdown. Select the scenario you wish to build a planner dashboard for, and select Widgets on the right-hand panel that pops up. This is the dashboard configuration screen. From in here, you can select any of the available scenario items and change the parameters about what the widget does and how it's displayed. You can even go in and change which visualizations are embedded in the dashboard. To do this, select the visualization and change the parameter of which visualization you'd like to see. Then hit Apply. This will then render a different visualization when the planner goes in to look at it. The widgets on the screen are all able to be dragged and dropped. Click and hold, drag around, and drop where you'd like them to be. This gives you the ability to configure what the planner widget screen looks like. If you'd like to add another widget to the screen, simply create more scenario items and they will become available on the left-hand panel for you to add as widgets to the dashboard. When you're done editing the dashboard, click Save and it will become available for the planner when they log in. The ability to build and configure dashboards for light users and planners to use to evaluate their models, change parameters, run scenarios, and look at outputs is a great new addition to the tool. It dramatically extends the ability of the platform to be usable by a variety of different users. These users do not need to have exceptional knowledge of how the model was built in order to be successful at using the model for analysis. Additionally, by adding the ad hoc capability of Tableau into supplychainguru.com, we've dramatically extended the ability to create useful dashboards as well as interactive visualizations for both designers and planners to use. Both of these features will make great additions to the supplychainguru.com user experience.